bubble thing. Oh, look at that. Open it. This is from Jobs. Oh, let's open, guys, together. Oh, there you have it. This is so nice. This is a home skincare device at good investment. This is a silicone and laser LED. And this is how it works, like this to your face. But I'm not gonna do it because I have my makeup on. You have to apply it after the after washing your face. You must dry your face first before we put this on, and then follow with the skincare. So this is laser type, not an LED, but still LED light. And here's the instruction and some of the stuff inside to use. This is the control. You have to plug it, charge it, and this is it, guys. So I'm excited to start using this. This is the LED, but I don't know if it's already. There's a clip here. You can go anywhere you go while you put it on. I wanna do that at night before I sleep, because I don't know if I have time in the morning. So everything here, the instruction, and I have to look on Jobs, and I can email them to ask some information about this, and I'm good to go. So this is the, oh, it's so soft, Han. Oh, thank you, Han. Happy Valentine's Day. Merry Christmas. Okay, that's all, guys. Ooh, I'm excited. I like the packaging. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is a best investment. I don't need to go to the dermatology. I just have to take good care of myself here at home. Save money, save time, save energy, or whatever, save everything. Okay, so here's